These cats are awesome.
Oh my god!
What happened? Did they scratch you?
One already scratched me.
Where? You got a scratchy?
I wiped it off.
You wiped off the little scratchy? You don't have a boo-boo anymore? I'm recording, I'll take a picture. Oh, look at him. He's getting he's going down on me. See, look at that. Oh. Ooh.
He's gonna sniff your cat.
Oh, whoa, don't sniff
Cats do that.
Sniff my ting ting.
Your pee-pee.
Okay. So we're the only ones volunteering here. Yeah? It was a little weird when they asked us. They all, are you like brother or sister? I was like, no. Like, no, she's my girlfriend. Nice to get to work together. Yeah?
And the same birthday.
Yeah, cutie? Yes.
Okay.
There's a big yellow one. A big. What are these called again? They're not tigers. Just normal cats, right? I shall find another black one.
No, every time I call a cat, I call my cat's name. Ning Ning. Totally not.
Well, the bunnies are aggressive over there. Maybe they're getting it on. What are you doing? It's not a shelter down there.
It's warm.
It's nice and warm. That's what attracts them. Oh.
Yes.
Something in your tail.
I wanna hold you. Hold on. Oh.
I want to sweep this place up. There's a kitty. Little kitty. I don't want to step on you. Okay. Oh, look. Ah.
Oh my god. I just sneezed in there.
Aww. I'm sleeping. Oh, look at that one.
Who are you? You're my baby.
Oh, yawn. Cat yawn. What?
That one always comes.
You like that one? Oh, see, that one's dirty. I shall make friends with all of you. It's my goal for today. Get off, kitty. Get off. Kitty, I'm sorry. You're the one with the injury. Injury over here. Oh, get out of the sun, kitty. Move over there a little bit.
Sunny vitamin D.
Go over there. Ooh. Look at that pussy. Hi, kitty. Hi, baby. You like these? Yeah? Are you playing with other pussies? Yeah? Cats? Pussy cats? Yes. Hi, kitty. Hi. Oh, you're purring. The black kitties. I need to give you attention because of superstition and all. Kitty. Oh, you're sleeping. Leave you alone. Hello. Oh, hey you. You. I choose you. Cool. Make sticks first. Yeah. Sticks. You right click to cut them in half.
Oh, okay.
There, it's red. Doesn't he go too far? Oh no.
And then it comes out.
keeps running back and forth. Not too fast all the time.
Maybe he gets lost.
You got the black controller?
And you use it
For chopper.
Yeah, for chopper.
Heel powder.
She knows items too.
Different face. Different face. Different face.